Let's have a look at one of the activities available on the public part of the No Fear Bridge website. We're going to try one of the fun bridge bidding quizzes, responding to one of a suit. This is a millionaire quiz. Can you get 1,000,000 points? I'm not a bridge teacher and I don't work for No Fear Bridge. I'm an affiliate for them, and so I'm not going to explain to you the choices that I'm making. Can you beat me? I'm sure you can. If you'd like to try this, or one of the thousands of other activities available on the No Fear Bridge website, sign up for your trial membership using one of the links in the description box below, or if you're watching this on one of my websites, tap on one of the links further down the site.